Using the Brow Define Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil, we're going to create a feathered eyebrow effect. Let's start by brushing all our hairs in the same direction using the spoolie end of the pencil. Now using the pencil side, apply very light sketching motions to create hair-like strokes. I'm going to be applying horizontal strokes on the inner brow area, as this is how the follicles naturally grow. As the rest of the eyebrow hair generally grows more diagonal, let's use the pencil to replicate these hairs. Using the same techniques, go over the brow and fill in any gaps. To amplify that feathered effect, use the spoolie side of the pencil to brush your hairs in horizontal and diagonal directions. Mirror the same techniques and process on your other eyebrow. Take a look at both your eyebrows and try and match them as much as possible.